Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use MetaMask. First, download and install the MetaMask extension for your browser or the mobile app on your device. Once installed, you'll either create a new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. Remember, your seed phrase is crucial for wallet recovery, so keep it absolutely private and secure. Never share it with anyone. Now that your wallet is set up, let's get some funds in there. You can add cryptocurrency by transferring it from a centralized exchange directly to your MetaMask wallet address. Alternatively, MetaMask allows you to purchase crypto directly through integrated services. Always double-check the network and address to ensure your funds arrive safely. It's a straightforward process. With funds in your wallet, you're ready to interact with the decentralized web. Connect your MetaMask to various decentralized applications, often called dApps, to participate in their ecosystems. When making a transaction, you'll review the details and approve the associated gas fees. MetaMask makes sending and receiving different cryptocurrencies simple and secure, giving you full control. Security is paramount when using MetaMask. Always verify the URL of any website before connecting your wallet to prevent phishing scams. Be extremely cautious of unsolicited messages or requests for your seed phrase. MetaMask will never ask for it. For more great tips and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below. Stay safe and enjoy your decentralized journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.